I hate moving around the game camera manually. So usually you just double click on the camera and you drag it around, and then you have to make sure it's facing the right direction. It was really, really painful for me. I don't know if there's another way, but I decided to make my own solution. So here it is. If you click on this button right here on the scene, now your game camera basically follows your scene camera. Additionally, if you click on, for example, this button here, you are no longer linked, so the game camera stops following you. If you re-enable it, it starts following you again. Additionally, you could click on this button here to save your location. So I clicked it once. Actually, let's delete that. Let's start again. Let's get a better one. So save location here, and I want to do some editing to the back of the car. I can click on this here, and now I could just click these arrows to switch between the two views. Pretty neat, right? Additionally, I added this extra feature whereby you could teleport to the target you select. So if I select this guy right here in the scene, my game camera just literally teleported right in front of him. If I click on this guy, game camera teleported right in front of him. If I click this button here, it will teleport behind him instead. So you can teleport in front of them or behind them. And if you click on the main camera script, there's a bit of an offset, so you could say how far away do you want the teleportation to be. So if we change that to 3, and I've added a little buffer in the Y direction, so now when we jump around it should be a lot closer, as you can tell. And I change back to the front view, and there you go. You can also enable scene camera, so both cameras will start to teleport to the location. I'm a bit zoomed out right here, so as you can see, both cameras can zoom out and zoom in. Okay, what else? Okay, so let's see, how do you use this in action? I'm going to go back to the other camera, and I'm going to start editing this car, for example. I could go to my colorize manager. This is a different tool I'm working on, and if you guys are interested in this tool, just join me in Discord and I'll answer all your questions. This is still in production, so it's not available anywhere, but if you are interested, do give me a shout. Okay, so for example, we want to increase the brightness of the lights, so turning them on basically. We could just go up here and increase the brightness. Okay, and then maybe we want to do it to the backlights too, so we go and select the backlight and do the exact same thing. Maybe increase the brightness of the backlight to maybe this red or this red, completely up to you. And maybe we want to change the metallic level of this car, so if you click on this right here, let's turn this off and decide how metallic we want the car to look. How reflective, how metallic, completely up to you. So many different ways to do this. And just like that, we could maneuver through the scene in a much easier way. See how the game looks from within the scene view. Just rotate like this. And you can turn it off, and if you don't want to use it, you just click on this again and click on anything else and it's just gone deactivated. Thank you for watching, and hop in on Discord if you have any questions or if you want to follow all of our other projects we're working on. And yeah, don't be a stranger. Take care. Bye bye.